In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up your website in GoDaddy using web hosting with cPanel. We'll walk through where to find your backups, how the automatic backups work, and how to restore either specific files or your entire database. By the end, you'll feel confident knowing exactly where your safety net is and how to use it if something goes wrong. First, it's helpful to understand how backups work on these plans. All 2026 cPanel hosting plans include a one-day automatic backup by default. That means GoDaddy keeps a snapshot of your site from the last day without you having to set anything up. This is really useful if you make a change that breaks your site, delete something important by accident, or need to quickly roll back to how things looked before. To access these backups, start by signing into your GoDaddy account and heading to your main account dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including your domains, hosting plans, and anything else you've purchased. Under My Products, find the Web Hosting section. Here, you'll see any cPanel hosting plans associated with your account. Locate the hosting plan for the website you want to back up or restore, and click the Manage button next to it. That will open the main hosting dashboard for that specific plan. At the top of this hosting dashboard, you should see an option labeled Backups. Go ahead and click on that. This is the central place where you can view your available automatic backups and restore data from them. Inside the backups area, you'll be able to select a backup date. Because these plans include a one-day automatic backup, you'll typically see the most recent snapshot available there. Choose the date you want to restore from. In most cases, this will be the latest one, especially if you're trying to fix something that just went wrong. Once you've selected the date, you'll have a couple of options. You can choose to restore specific files, or you can restore your entire database. Restoring specific files is helpful if you only need to bring back certain parts of your site, like theme files, images, or a particular folder. This way, you don't overwrite everything, just what you actually need. Restoring the entire database is a bigger move and is usually what you do if your content, pages, posts, or settings are corrupted or missing. The database holds all of that dynamic information, so rolling it back can quickly undo problematic changes. After you make your selection, confirm the restore process. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. When it's finished, it's a good idea to visit your site in a new browser tab and click through a few pages to make sure everything looks and works the way you expect. That's all you need to do to use the built-in backup system with GoDaddy Web Hosting on cPanel. By knowing where to find your backups and how to restore from them, you'll be better prepared whenever you need to recover your site.